Chairman sir and the distinguished gathering. Good morning to all of you, and I'm going to present the M-channeling service to all of you. So this is actually a service by Mobitel, and it's been conducted by Mobitel Business Solutions Unit. In a nutshell, this is a channeling service or a free channeling service from the public sector hospitals. So that's the basic description of this. If you move forward, this will be the agenda. And if you consider the background, why should Mobitel do something like this, and why should this exist? And if you consider the Sri Lankan health sector, especially the public health sector, especially the medical services, its quality standards of the medical services of the public health sector, I think there's nothing, it goes nothing second to any other service. So if you consider the solution as an upgrade to the healthcare or medical healthcare services, it's not. This is not to upgrade the general healthcare service quality standards. But if you consider the service factors, non-medical service factors, for example, waiting time at the hospitals for OPD consultations, and also the length of the hospital queues, and also the congestions and crowding at the hospitals. I think there is a scope for us to introduce services and solutions in order to enhance or to reduce the queues, to cut down on the waiting time at the hospital. So that's where this solution is placed on. So as that arrow says, we are operating in that quadrant. And further, this is developed under Mahinda Chintana vision to empower the national healthcare sector or the public healthcare sector with the latest development of the ICT technology. So that's in line with that. So what is this solution? What do you call by M-channeling? So it's basically a Mobitel hotline. This 0711 370 370. That's a live system. Even at now, if you call this number, you can get medical appointments from Dompe Base Hospital. This is OPD appointments. So what are the objectives or the features of this particular channeling solution? So basically, it's meant for OPD appointments from public hospitals. And apart from that, this is meant for the masses. So to succeed in this particular project, the masses should embrace this kind of project. So in that way, it's an open and very simple system that's critical to the publicity of this particular service. So it will be grant benefits to both the public and for the hospital administration. And also, if you take the delays at the hospital, normally if you go to a non-ICT enabled hospital, waiting time at the hospital for OPD consultation can take up to 2 to 3 hours. But with the introduction of HHIMS system from ICTA, this has reported to come down to about 50 minutes. And this is real-time experience we have at Dompe Hospital. And actually this solution has been developed as an extension to the HHIMS system from the ICTA. And with this system, our experience is that we can cut down the waiting time at the hospital for OPD consultation to about approximately 30 minutes. So that's the main benefit for the public, and in the same way, it will cut down a lot of admin overheads in managing the crowd at the hospital for the hospital as well. And this will also get a better perception for the public sector services among the public, and this will increase the processes within the hospital administration as well, minimize the admin overheads, and also the adaptability. This is a much adaptable and flexible system. Of course, this has been developed as an extension to the HHIMS system. This is not totally depending on that system, but this is an independent system. But the only thing that we have proposed to go with the HHIMS system is that the resources that's already there with the HHIM system, and the tendency and the agreeable management for this kind of ICT enabled services, and also the already enabled training facilities for this kind of ICT enabled services. So those are the main factors and objectives of this particular solution. And I must say that this is not only for the Mobileo customers. Any patient from any operator, even Dialog or any other network, Etisalat, Hutch, even from a landline connection, you can get the appointments. So that's why this is a special solution. So any person who's having any kind of connection can call up to this number and get your appointments. So that's the introductory part from me, and to bring you the practical part of this particular solution, I will invite Dr. Sampath Kulatilaka, the coordinating medical officer of the e-hospital Dompe project at the Dompe base hospital. Thank you.